Good evening, everybody. Wake up. I hope you have a good Christmas. Did y'all had a good Christmas yesterday? Merry Christmas. 2020. Man, that, like, it's supposed to be a good Christmas this year. It's not because of the COVID-19 ruined everything. So it's not the same like it used to be anymore. Because 2020, it was supposed to be the biggest year, but the coronavirus, it ruined everything. And it sucks, man. I hate to hear that, man. It's terrible. It's awful. But anyway, man, it was a good Christmas, but it's all right. But hey, I got good news. Guess what I got for Christmas?
TRAXXAS RUSTLER 4x4 VXL. Finally got it, baby. I finally got it. Yeah, we're gonna party. We're gonna party. Look, it's trucks a day. Look at that. Look at that. Look how many trucks. Look at that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. I got 5 trucks. Yeah, we're gonna party. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. It's time to celebrate. I got 5 trucks, baby. Look at the E-Revo. Look at the Jado. Look at the E-Revo. Look at the X-Max. Look at the Max. Yeah, the one that had a baby. Look at the Rustler. The 4x4. The VXL. Yeah, we're gonna party. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. The Rustler is here. We're gonna party. I'm gonna make the ridiculous in the show. We're gonna party. I'm gonna make the nationwide news. We're gonna party. We're gonna be racing on the freeway. We're gonna party. Yeah, we're gonna party. Yeah, TRAXXAS RUSTLER 4x4 VXL, baby. Yeah, we're gonna party. Yeah, it's here, baby. Look at the color. The color I wanted, baby blue, white, and red. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's got a baby blue stripe right here. It's got a little gray. Yeah, it's gray right here. But don't worry about it. This baby blue, white, and red. So yeah, this is it. This is it right here. It looks good though. Yeah. They got a clear body. You can paint this on all baby blue if you have to. But heads up, guys. If you get the like on the box right here, I got the stock pinging gear. It doesn't come with the 2054 gears to make it do 65. It got the stock 1154 gears to make it do, it goes 40 miles per hour. So mine is stock. It's not souped up yet, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. The problem is if you gear it up, the motor gets hot quick. It gets real hot quick. The motor and the speed controller, it overheats quick. You need a cooling fan for the speed controller and a cooling fan for the motor to cool it down. So you need a 2050. Oh, did I say it right? Yeah, 20. You need a 2054 gears to make it do 65. Yeah. Look, and normal body clips. Hey, do you remember that Rustler 4x4 Silver Edition I bought a year and a half ago? I'm glad that was here. They let me borrow it. They let me drive it. And I enjoyed it. Now I finally got my own. This is the new one. The one that came out in 2020. Brand new. Hold on. This is a little complicated to pull this out. Let me see. Here's a little tight fit. Hold on. There you go. There to see. Yeah, 3S. That's 3S right here. You could do 2S and 3S. And this is the drive shaft right here. Yep, there it is. Brand new, man. 2020. Now I'm gonna put the body back in. It's gonna be a little tricky to get this in there. And remember I showed you what to do. Make sure get in there real good. Man, that's it. That's all we can do. Here it is, man. Here it is. Yeah. All in these batteries. But I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take that off of my E-Revo and put it on the Rustler. And that's about it. And we'll give it a test drive. And that's about it. So, well, I got the 2017 TRAXXAS Jadal 3.3 TSM. The Jadal's 3 years old. I got it in December the 21st, 2017. That was my Christmas present in 2017. That was a good Christmas in 2017. And I got the 2019 TRAXXAS eRevo 2.0 VXL. I still have it, and it's almost 2 years old. And then I got the 2020 TRAXXAS X-Max. My favorite monster truck, my favorite King of the Hill monster truck, X-Max. The most powerful King of the Hill monster truck ever. Yeah, that's right. That's right, people. TRAXXAS did a good job. I like the X-Max better. This one is my favorite. If you want to be a King of the Hill, if you want something bigger, stronger, faster, if you want a better monster truck, get an X-Max. X-Max is the best. All right, what you want to get? You want to get an eRevo, X-Max, Max, or Rustler, or Jadal? You know before, you know what you want to get? I would go with the X-Max. X-Max is the best. Yeah. Rustler's good too, and the eRevo's good too. Remember I told you, if you bash it with the eRevo, it breaks. Like if you hit the curve, it breaks and it'll strip both of the servos out. And they stock servos. But I'm gonna upgrade the servos. I'm gonna upgrade the servo for my eRevo anyway. But I got 4 new tires for my eRevo. Got the cooling fan for the motor. This one got 46 gears. It goes 75 miles per hour. 70 to 75. Yeah, but if I put a better battery in it, it'll do 75 with 50 seat charge. Yeah. So that's about it, man. X-Max, I gear it up to 2050. X-Max goes 70 miles per hour. Yeah, but I got it up to 60. But it was fast, man. Yeah, both of them go 60. X-Max and the Max, both of them go 60. So the Max, you need 2646 to make it do 60. And it'll go 65. Yeah. The Max is a little faster. But the X-Max, yeah. This one's my favorite. Oh, I forgot to tell you, those drive shaft on the Max, get your aluminum steel drive shaft, guys. The steel drive shaft is better. Because I had a guy had an X-Max like mine. It's got a dog boom drive shaft on it. I didn't know you could put this on there. So that's good. The Rustler 4x4, like if you hit the curve, do a backflip with it, the drive shaft right here, it breaks. This drive shaft right here is real weak. So always get the steel drive shaft. Get the steel drive shaft, put on the Rustler, and it'll fit. And then you'll be good. It's no big deal. The Rustler, you can bash this hard as you want. Max too, and the X-Max. X-Max, I like X-Max better. X-Max, you bash it all you want, and it don't break. You won't have no problem. I never had any problem with the X-Max. I bashed the heck out of my X-Max. No problems. But I stripped the steering servo out. And then I upgraded to the aluminum, the Metal Gear servo. I upgraded the Metal Gear servo. And then the steering servo horn popped out. It came loose. And then I fixed it. So, no problems. The eRevo, if you bash this hard, it breaks. It broke the dog bone off. It broke the axle off, and then I fixed it because, yeah, remember I told you real weak. You always get the aluminum part, guys. So, all right, man. Rustler 4x4 VXL is here. So this is it. This is it. This is it. I finally got it. I like this color. It's nice. Yeah. You go TRAXXAS. Oh, I got something. Oh, that's a little styrofoam for the box. All brand new, man. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. So there it is, man. Got 5 trucks. Everything's back to one I lost. Here it is. And it's all electric. Look at that. All electric. All by electric, baby. This all by electric. Except this one's gas. This one's nitro. I still love nitro. Nitro truck is still my favorite. But right here, all by electric. You remember nitro cars? Nitro, the Jadal, is not the fastest anymore. All this right here, all by electric. Electric cars are way faster. Electric trucks, I mean, yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, electric trucks, they're way faster than the nitro trucks. Way faster. Back in the day, the nitro trucks used to be the fastest, but not no more. 11 years later, all electric trucks took over. And then now, in 2019, no more body clips. Actually, no, 2018, I'm sorry. In 2018, eVivo came out. No more body clips. And in 2018, Rustler 4x4 VXL came out, the blue and red. No more body clips. And then the X-Max came out in 2015. No more body clips. Yeah. So here it is, man. This one's 2020. Yeah. No more body clips. All right. You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. TRAXXAS Rustler, TRAXXAS Rustler, TRAXXAS Rustler, TRAXXAS Rustler, Rustler 4x4, Rustler 4x4, Rustler VXL, Rustler 4x4, Rustler 4x4. Gonna start it. Blue trucks, here it is. And the 2021 Ford Chevrolet 450 Super Snake 4x4 will be here soon. Gloss in the blue and white with 870 horses. You punks. Just doing the testing, y'all. It's got 0 miles on it. She's brand new, 2020. It's good to go.